10 kilograms per month. Belly melts. Juices, thanks to which you will quickly lose weight. Great recipe. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. I still remember vividly the days when I was a child. My grandmother often passed on simple yet effective healthcare tips to me. Among them, there is a special secret that she always believes in, a natural, safe way to lose weight and at the same time purify the body extremely wonderfully. Without the need for medicine or complicated methods, with just a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen, she taught me to create a drink that not only helps the body feel light, but also brings a feeling of health and freshness. Today, I want to share that valuable secret with you. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, we need to prepare a beetroot. Peel off the skin. Beetroots are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Drinking beetroot juice helps the body eliminate toxins, purify the blood, and increase metabolism. This helps burn excess fat and control weight. After peeling, the beetroot will be cut into small pieces to make it easier to blend. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next is a carrot. Also cut off the stem, peeled, and cut into medium slices. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and fiber. Fiber helps keep you full longer, reducing snacking, while beta-carotene helps improve skin, eye, and immune health. Carrots are low in calories, so they are great for people who want to lose weight. With apples, you should wash them thoroughly to remove dirt and chemical residue. First, pour clean water into the basin. The best way is to soak the apples in a bowl of water. Then use baking soda to rub the surface. Then rinse with clean water. And dry with a paper towel. Apples are also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help keep the body healthy during weight loss. Once cleaned, cut the apple into small pieces. Removing the seeds to avoid the astringent taste. We also need a lemon. Peel the lemon. Then cut into small pieces and set aside. In addition, you prepare a branch of fresh ginger. After washing the ginger, peel off the outer skin. And grate. We will use about a teaspoon of ginger to create aroma and increase fat-burning efficiency. This is the secret ingredient in many natural weight loss recipes. Once all ingredients are ready, add beetroot, carrot, apple, lemon, and ginger to blender. Add about 200 milliliters of filtered water and blend until smooth. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After blending, use a sieve to remove the pulp. You will get a beautiful, delicious, and nutritious glass of red juice. This drink not only quenches thirst, provides many vitamins and minerals, but also helps the body eliminate toxins, increase metabolism, and help lose weight effectively if you drink it regularly combined with a healthy diet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow more good and healthy recipes. Wishing you good health and always keep the body shape as desired.